Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the lyrics? What is the rhythm? What is the beat? What is the content of your heart saying? You're not missing out on the world. Stop trying to fit in when you're supposed and born to stick out and be original. Leave your mark, leave your footprint, leave your brain print, leave your fingerprint. Because as long as you put in the work, you live forever. I silence fear in me and I discover the voice of my heart. The fruit of these words guides me and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to my path of light. Therefore I flourish. I'm in my greatness. Listen to your heart. Do not be scared to be original. You came in this world by yourself. Therefore you're going to leave by yourself. Leave your magic. Remember your purpose. Want to find your purpose? Fall in love with your service. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.